The 2026 Audi A6 is here, and it takes luxury, performance, and technology to an all-new level. This latest generation of the A6 continues Audi's tradition of combining sporty design with everyday comfort, but with even more refinement and innovation. From the outside, the car immediately grabs attention with its bold and sophisticated design. The new single-frame grille is wider and more aggressive, giving the front a confident stance. The sleek LED matrix headlights not only look stunning, but also adapt intelligently to road conditions. The aerodynamic body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, enhancing both looks and efficiency. The 2026 A6 rides on stylish 20-inch alloy wheels, and the overall silhouette reflects elegance mixed with performance character. At the back, the redesigned taillights with a dynamic light signature make the car instantly recognizable, even from a distance. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi A6 doesn't disappoint. It comes with multiple engine options, including a powerful 2.0-liter, turbocharged 4-cylinder, and a more advanced 3.0-liter V6 with mild hybrid technology. The hybrid system improves fuel efficiency while delivering strong acceleration. The Quattro all-wheel drive system remains one of the best in the world, ensuring superior handling and grip on all kinds of roads. The automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, and the drive modes allow you to choose between comfort, sport, and efficiency, giving the perfect balance of performance and luxury. Whether you're cruising on the highway or driving through city traffic, the A6 feels composed, smooth, and powerful. Inside, the new Audi A6 feels like a luxury lounge. The cabin design focuses on minimalism and comfort, with high-quality leather seats, fine wood trims, and ambient lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. The dual touchscreen setup dominates the dashboard, one for infotainment and another for climate control, both offering crisp graphics and intuitive touch response. The latest MMI system includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a virtual cockpit with a fully digital instrument cluster. Passengers enjoy plenty of legroom, and the sound insulation is so good that the cabin feels whisper quiet even at high speeds. The A6 also includes advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras. Overall, the 2026 Audi A6 stands as a perfect blend of style, comfort, and technology. It's not just a car, it's a statement of sophistication and innovation. If you're looking for a premium sedan that offers both performance and luxury, the new A6 deserves a top spot on your list. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.